Hello and welcome back to Black Notes Music Center. Today we are going to be breaking down Greater Than All by Maya and LoveworldSingers in a key of F sharp. I'll play the song, then I'll come back for breakdown. Thank you. Hello, and that's all for the song. So we are in the key of F sharp. F sharp is our 1, A flat is our 2, B flat is our 3, B is our 4, C sharp is our 5, E flat is our 6, F is our 7, then back to F sharp. So the intro six, then 4, 1, 5, then so the intro is simply 6, 4, 1, 5. So twice, everything twice. So okay. So the body of the song is 1, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, then again. Okay. 2, 1, 5, 2, 4, 5. That's all for the A part. So my 1 on the left, I have, I'm just doubling the 1. So I have 3, 5, 1 on the right. This is my 4. On the left, I have 4, 1, and 4, 6, 1 on the right. Then 1, the same thing. 5. Okay. On the left, 5. On the right, I have 2, 5, 7. Okay. Then 6. On the left, I have 6. On the right, I have 3, 5, 1. Okay. And 2. I'm just giving you all the chords used in the song. This is 2. Okay. Left 2, right 4, 6, 1. 3, 3 on the left, 5, 7, 2 on the right. So that's A part. I showed you the A part. The B part, 1. I'm playing this 7 on the left. I'm playing 7 on the right. I'm playing 2, 5, 7, 2. Because I'm adding melody, but like you can just play your 5 on the right, while 7 on the on the left. Okay, everything. Six. I showed you the 6 on the left. I have 6. You can play 6 and I can add 3 if you like. On the right, I have 5, 1, 3. Okay, 3. I showed you the 3. Okay, 4. 4, 3. Okay, 4. You have on the right, I have on the left, I have 3. If you like, I can add 1 to it. It will be like this. Okay, 4. Okay. Actually, I'm adding this, but you don't need to add it. You can just play 2, 3. Okay, 2 on the left, 2, 3, 5, 5. Okay. So it's that one is repeated twice. So on the right on 2, 3, then, or you can just play stay on the 4. 2, 3, 4. That's all together. Okay. 2, 3, 4/5. Five. Yeah. One. Yeah. 5. Okay. Then 2. That's the interlude there. You are God. 5, 5. Then 2. 2. Or you can do like this. Okay. Or 2. Or 2. Okay. So then there's another A part is okay. Let me play this one. This one is like the first one, but there's a twist and at the end. Let me play it. 4, 1. Okay. 4. Oh. So you can see that part in the end part is different from the first A part. So 4. 5. Okay. 6. 4, okay, 4, 5, 1, 0, 1, 7, 6, 1, 7, 6. So on the right I have 6, 5, 6, or 6, 5, 1, whichever way. On the left is I'm playing 1, 7, 6. So together, let me play the one for you. When I'm playing the one with the 1, okay, you can choose. Then okay, oh, okay, 4, then 6, 5, 5. Okay, they don't. So went back to B part. So then C part is 1, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 1. Okay, you. So everything. So that's all for the song. Thank you so much. I don't want to waste much of your time. The song is very simple. And don't forget, you can always send the request. Send request. I'm available. I will do it. Thank you so much. And enjoy the rest of your day.